Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making some lamb biryani. Absolutely delicious. So we're going to start off by making the meat mixture. So we're going to need some lamb, tomatoes, onions, garlic ginger paste, some fresh chili, curry powder, and then some whole green cardamom, some black mustard seeds, a few cloves, dried chili, bay leaves, some sultanas, or you could use some other dried fruit if you want, a little bit of vegetable oil and some salt. Simply all we do is we just mix the whole lot into a bowl, give it a mix. You need to leave it about an hour, overnight would be better. Now over to the cooker. What we're going to do here, in a dry pan, because we've already got some oil in there, just add the whole mixture, and then we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes on a kind of above medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. Now while that's cooking, we need to get our rice. So basmati rice is always best, I find. Give this a wash a couple of times and then just soak it for about 20 minutes. Okay, back to the lamb. So add a little bit of water, and depending on what type of lamb you've used, let this go for about another 20 minutes on a kind of lower heat. Okay, so our meat is on the go, our rice is soaking, just a few other little bits. We've got some fried onions there, dry fried now, some mint, some cilantro or coriander, and a little bit of turmeric. We're going to add some water to that. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so the lamb's now ready, our curry's ready. Let's just set that aside and move on to the rice. Now what we want to do with the rice now is we need to cook it only for about 5 minutes. We want it kind of 70% of the way there. And then once that's cooked, we set that aside as well. Okay, now we've got all the parts together. We've got our rice, we've got our curry, and those few other little extras. What we need to do now is get a large pot, or the same pot that we used for the curry, and then we're going to layer this up. We start off with a couple of spoons, not too much, of the curry, and then maybe a couple of centimeters of rice. And on top of that rice, we're going to go with the fresh herbs, the cilantro and the mint. And then we're going to layer and layer and layer, ending with rice on top. Okay, here's that little bit of turmeric in some water. Mix it up, give it a little sprinkle on the top. It gives it a lovely color. Top that with the fried onions, and we're ready to go back to the cooker. Now what I like to do is we need to seal the pot, so I find like a cloth or a tea towel on the top there, really seals the lid in there. Let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes now on a kind of lowish heat, and then voila, look at that, you've got a beautiful, beautiful biryani. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do click that bell icon just below, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.